enjoy for a lifetime. Recommended opening bid on this one, 6,509. I'll open up the bidding right here, right now. I'll do an auction. When I call auction special, I'm doing it because of how special that is. I hate the word special because art is not a t-shirt sale. But because what that represents, I'm going to do something that usually I cannot do because it usually sells at $5,850. Today, I'm going to do it because I can and I want to. And immediately after the event, actually already during the event, you're just going to have to pop an email over to Park West. And I'll drop this down, folks. Check this out. Framed, matted, and shipped. Original painting by Michael Godard. Wings of Hope. $39.50.
Yeah!
Got a bit of $39.50. Once, twice, fair and final warning at $39.50. Man, I hope this message influenced you in ways that I can't even describe. So, let's give a round of applause, everybody. Fantastic.